Bikes, bridges, cafes, canals. Amsterdam conjures up so many things. But if there's one place that truly captures its cultural heart, it's here, the Rijksmuseum. A temple to the Dutch Golden Age, one painting still reigns supreme, Rembrandt's Night Watch.
The Night Watch is Rembrandt's most ambitious painting. He painted it at the pinnacle of his career, and it's special because it's also a deeply humane painting.
Since 2019, a major restoration in full view of the public has been taking place. Right now, conservators like Esther are delicately removing the old varnish from the imposing canvas. Esther, why are you removing the varnish?
We are removing the varnish from the Night Watch because it's a very yellow layer. It has aged over time, it's 50 years old, and it's also a bit grayish because it doesn't saturate the paint layers as well as it should.
And how complex is a restoration like this? What are the main challenges you face?
The painting is very big, which is a challenge in and of itself. The project itself is very big. We're doing a lot of research, and that makes everything exponentially bigger and more complex.
Every move Esther makes is supported by the museum's science team, who examine the masterpiece in microscopic detail.
The research we do with our team is really to understand the composition and condition of the Night Watch, and this information helps conservators to make decisions in their treatment. So we have technology where we really scan through the painting, we do imaging, but we also take tiny samples to really dive into the paint to really understand what has happened over these 400 years.
The Night Watch is really an icon for the Netherlands. And this restoration we're doing for the future, and future generations will see a Night Watch which will be much clearer, easier to read, but also have more depth. The contrast between light and dark, for which Rembrandt is so famous, will be more apparent. So that's why we decided that this is the time to restore it.
400 years have taken their toll. Previous restorations, exposure to the elements, and a violent attack have all left scars. So what's the painting's condition today?
The condition of the painting is, I would love to say good, but if you're looking under the microscope, you can see that it's a damaged paint surface, which is not strange. I mean, it is 400 years old, but yeah, it's compromised.
As for restoring one of the world's greatest paintings in front of the public, that was never in doubt.
The Night Watch, it's in a sense world heritage, and it belongs to everyone. And we felt that the public has the right to see what we're doing to the painting.
The Rijksmuseum has also moved much of its vast collection online, another innovative way in which it engages its audience.
The public changes, and you have to keep changing and finding new ways of presentation. So I think it's incredibly important for a museum to keep on moving, to keep on changing, and to keep on showing this fantastic art which is timeless.